Action.
Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Craig from New Go Power Wash. Back with a new video for you guys. Today we're working in New Odessa, Florida. We're here for a house wash. As you guys probably seen, this house here is on Netflix, Selling Tampa. So we've washed this house probably like 3 times, maybe 4 times in the last year and a half. But today we were here to do a complete house wash with chemicals and everything like that. Typically we're here to do like the cobwebs and spider webs and all that, dust, dirt. We've done the dock back there before, me and my boy Steve. So today we're gonna be doing a complete house wash. It's a 3-story house, about 8,100 square feet. They got 2 3-car garages next to me here. They also got a mother-in-law suite in the back. So it's pretty huge property. Shout out to everybody that's supporting the channel. Make sure y'all subscribe and comment and hit the bell notification. And with that said, my boy Steve, we're gonna get on this thing here and knock it out. Let's get it.
The floors too? With the floors?
Yeah. Oh, might as well. I'm gonna rinse it with the gun.
Maybe you hit a soap. You know how it gets foamy?
Yeah, what happened? Because I don't put no soap in there no more. I haven't put soap in there in a minute. The trick shot over here I couldn't get from the ground, so I had to come up here. There's no way I could have got this from down there. Nowhere really. Yeah, I got knocked down this wasp nest. Oh, bee's nest. All right, we washed the trick shots. Everything up here is pretty clean. Beautiful day, man, on the water. Sun rising. We're done up here. We're gonna go ahead and go downstairs, do the first story. In the front there's a balcony we're gonna have to go up to and clean that. So this is the mother-in-law suite right here. You need a gutter cleaning on that one. Beautiful property. Like I say, man, it's on a show. I don't know if y'all into real estate, but real estate show on Netflix called Selling Tampa Bay. It's the first episode. That's the house. So we got it upstairs done. Steve is gonna work half of the house, and then I'm gonna work half of the house, and we're gonna meet up in the middle and the front. House is coming along great. Like I say, I washed this house 4 times, and we've never used SH. So today we're using the SH on it to get all the cobwebs. We got some algae that's building up on the cracks. We used to think that was like paint, you know, missing paint, but it's actually algae. So last time I was here, I told the customer about it, and you know, that's why this time they want to do a complete house wash. There's plants right here. Before I start, I'm gonna wet down the plants, and then we just downstream the house. We're gonna do it in sections. It's pretty hot out here. I'm hiding behind the trees so I can talk to you guys. So the SH is drying the windows out faster than, you know what I'm saying, usual. So we're gonna work in sections, especially where the sun is beaming. So we're gonna start from this wall here because upstairs is all done. As you can tell, the sun is right on that window right there and also downstairs. So therefore, we're gonna probably clean this section here to maybe this wall right here where this wall ends. And then we're gonna let that dwell and then come back and rinse because we don't want the SH to dry. All right, so we got the plants watered down. I went ahead and soak the windows a little bit so the SH don't dry them out too fast. I'm gonna wait for my downstream mix to start coming. I haven't downstream in a while, man. I've been spoiled with the 12 volt. All right, so SH is coming now. Let's start applying our mix. So like I told you guys, the sun is beaming on this side, so I'm not gonna go too far. So what you want to do is you want to keep the windows wet. If you need additional dwell time, just wet the windows more, or you know what I'm saying, add your mix again. Just don't let the mix dry. So I just add a little bit mix, you know what I'm saying, so I need more dwell time. We're gonna let that sit for about maybe a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna come back and rinse it. The other side of the house. I don't think he hasn't cleaned over here yet because I see cobwebs. We'll check them out. Are you downstreaming, Steve? Huh? Downstreaming?
Yeah, I mean, rinsing.
Oh, you rinsing right now?
Yeah.
How far are you done so far? You done underneath there already?
Yeah, I did the half.
Nice.
And then the outside.
All right, awesome. So he washed under here already. Check out over here. Yep, we got that all cleaned up over here. This right here was really dirty earlier. You got that cleaned up. I'm gonna put Steve on the head mount. Get some footage from him. Gotta make sure we rinse that before we leave. Hey Steve. Hey Steve. Before you go through, rinse the floor over here. No, I put some dirt on it by accident. Yeah. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. Don't spray me. Don't spray me, man.
We're live.
Action.
Thank you for coming to the Aquanomics Power Wash Show. All right, looks like the SH caught up already. He's trying to go through. Yep. Coming clean again. The water's already made its way. Clean that off in case if I had some SH on there. Now we're gonna clean this up here.
Guys, we're done with the project. Nice and clean. Took us about a little bit over 3.5 hours. You know, we had to go up to the top, get on the roof, But yeah, she's looking nice and clean, man. There's a lot of algae built up in the corners. Went up there and cleaned the balcony. Yes, sir, she's looking good, man. Nice project, nice ticket, beautiful day. I just got a call for an estimate for a roof cleaning right around the corner from here, man. Let's see what size of that house. I did a rust removal for him over here. Came out good. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna grab it up, go do this estimate. All right, guys, so we just got done doing an estimate on this house right here. Coming up to my right for the roof cleaning. You know, right there. We're gonna try to see if we can lock it in. If we do, we get the footage for y'all. Until then, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.